Did you know that video content is one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products and boost your sales? In this video, we'll show you how to leverage video marketing for affiliate success, from creating compelling content to optimizing for YouTube and increasing your reach and conversions. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on leveraging video marketing for affiliate success. Video marketing is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you engage with your audience, build trust, and drive more affiliate sales. With platforms like YouTube dominating the digital landscape, it's essential to understand how to create and optimize video content that resonates with your audience and promotes your affiliate products effectively. Leveraging video marketing for affiliate success. This is part 13 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started, including tips on content creation, SEO, and maximizing your reach and conversions. Many affiliate marketers struggle to stand out in a crowded market. Traditional text-based content, while valuable, often lacks the engagement and personal connection that video content can provide. Additionally, understanding the nuances of video SEO and audience engagement can be challenging for those new to the platform. This guide aims to address these challenges by providing a step-by-step approach to leveraging video marketing for affiliate success. 1. Understanding the power of video marketing. Background. Video marketing is one of the most engaging forms of content available. It allows you to convey your message more dynamically and personally, helping you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Key benefits. High engagement. Videos are more engaging than text and can capture and hold the viewer's attention more effectively. Trust building. Seeing a real person on screen can build trust and credibility with your audience. SEO advantage. Video content can improve your search engine rankings, especially on platforms like YouTube, which is the second largest search engine after Google. Strategy. Start by understanding why video marketing is essential and how it can benefit your affiliate marketing efforts. Recognize the power of video in building trust, engaging viewers, and improving SEO. Example: YouTubers like Pat Flynn and Neil Patel effectively use video content to engage their audience, build trust, and promote their affiliate products. 2. Planning your video content. Background. Before diving into video creation, it's essential to plan your content strategy. This includes identifying your target audience, defining your goals, and planning your content calendar. Key steps. Identify your audience. Understand who your target audience is, what their interests are, and what problems they face. Define your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your video content, such as driving traffic, increasing sales, or building brand awareness. Content calendar. Plan a content calendar to ensure consistent and timely video uploads. Strategy. Create a detailed content plan that aligns with your affiliate marketing goals. This plan should include topic ideas, posting schedules, and promotional strategies. Example: a fitness affiliate marketer might plan a series of workout videos, each focusing on different exercises and incorporating affiliate links to related fitness products. 3. Creating compelling video content. Background. Creating high-quality video content is crucial for capturing and retaining your audience's attention. This involves scripting, filming, editing, and optimizing your videos for engagement. Key elements. Scripting. Write a clear and engaging script that provides value and includes a call to action. Filming. Use good lighting, sound, and camera equipment to ensure professional quality videos. Editing. Edit your videos to make them visually appealing and engaging, adding graphics, text overlays, and transitions as needed. Thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that attract clicks and accurately represent your video content. Strategy. Invest time and resources in creating high-quality video content that stands out. Focus on delivering value, maintaining a professional look, and encouraging viewers to take action. Example: a beauty influencer might create a makeup tutorial video, showcasing different products and techniques, with affiliate links in the video description. 4. Optimizing videos for YouTube SEO. Background. Optimizing your videos for YouTube SEO is essential for increasing visibility and attracting more viewers. This involves using relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions to improve your search rankings. Key tactics. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and TubeBuddy to identify relevant keywords for your niche. Title and description. Include your main keywords in the video title and description to improve search visibility. Tags. Add relevant tags to help YouTube understand the content and context of your video. Closed captions. Use closed captions to make your videos accessible and improve SEO. Strategy. Implement a comprehensive YouTube SEO strategy to ensure your videos rank well in search results. This includes thorough keyword research, optimized titles and descriptions, and the use of tags and closed captions. Example: a tech reviewer might optimize a video review of a new smartphone by using keywords like smartphone review, best smartphones 2024, and tech reviews. 5. Promoting your videos. Background. Promotion is key to maximizing the reach and impact of your video content. This involves sharing your videos across multiple platforms and engaging with your audience. Key tactics. Social media. Share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Email marketing. Include video links in your email newsletters to drive traffic and engagement. Collaborations. Partner with other influencers or brands to expand your reach and gain new followers. Engagement. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and engage with your audience to build a community. Strategy. Develop a multi-channel promotion strategy to increase the visibility and reach of your video content. Focus on engaging with your audience and leveraging collaborations for greater impact. Example: a travel vlogger might promote their latest destination video on Instagram, Facebook, and through their email newsletter, encouraging followers to watch and share. 6. Measuring and analyzing performance. Background. Tracking the performance of your video content is essential for understanding what works and what doesn't. This involves analyzing key metrics and making data-driven decisions. Key metrics. Views. Track the number of views to gauge the reach of your videos. Watch time. Measure how long viewers watch your videos to understand engagement levels. Engagement. Monitor likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions to assess audience interaction. Conversions. Track clicks and sales generated from your affiliate links to measure the effectiveness of your videos. Strategy. Regularly analyze your video performance using tools like YouTube Analytics and Google Analytics. Use this data to refine your content strategy and improve your results. Example: an affiliate marketer might notice that videos featuring product reviews have higher watch times and conversions, leading them to create more review-focused content. The most impactful takeaway is that leveraging video marketing for affiliate success requires a strategic approach. By creating high-quality content, optimizing for YouTube SEO, promoting your videos effectively, and analyzing performance, you can build a strong personal brand, engage your audience, and drive affiliate sales. To recap, leveraging video marketing for affiliate success involves understanding the power of video, planning your content strategy, creating compelling videos, optimizing for YouTube SEO, promoting your content, and measuring performance. By following these steps, you can stand out in a crowded market, build trust with your audience, and drive more affiliate sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let us know which video marketing tactics you're excited to implement. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!